Kudos to all of the filmmakers selected for the 42nd annual Durban International Film Festival. I commend the festival leadership team for their second year of pandemic-defying work. It was an honor to be chosen as a juror, serving along with other esteemed film professionals. And I am doubly honored to announce the Best South African Film presented at the 42nd Annual Durban International Film Festival. The award goes to Sons of the Sea, a film that so poignantly displays the power of relationships for good and evil. Sons of the Sea depicts the impact of both personal and casual interactions against the backdrop of universal themes of family, foes, and changing values as Indigenous people struggle for identity and a home in a shifting and oftentimes hostile world. Sons of the Sea, congratulations. Congratulations and blessings.
Weet jy waarvan dit kom die goed? Van ons waters. Ons fucking land. Hulle is die mense wat steel van ons. En wat is ons supposed om te doen?
Fucking lekker. Fuck wat julle doen.
Was 'n kop met 'n hotel today, Mikhail.
Okay, please.